Business advice from a business attorney, part 429. Now, what's a sole proprietor? This means you and your business are one and the same. You don't always want this, or you don't ever want it, but it basically means you are your business. There's no separation. And that means if you do something in your business that causes the business to get sued, you are getting sued personally. And that means they can come after your personal assets, your car, your house, anything you own personally. That's why I always suggest being at least an LLC. But if you must be a sole proprietor, just know those are the implications.
Here's how you can start your business in less than a day. First, you need a business name. Second, decide what you're gonna sell. Third, create a logo. Decide how you want it to look. Let AI work its magic. Choose which logo you like. Choose your brand color. Now it's time to create your website. We're gonna let AI create it. Choose the goal of your website. Choose a background image.
Did I mention it was cheaper than Shopify? And y'all know I love me some Shopify.
Best part about the tool? Everything for your business is in one place. You can buy branded business cards and merch, create graphics for social in seconds. The tool is Tailor Brands and it creates everything you need for your business using AI.
Deductions you must know. First, home office. You can claim a portion of your home as an expense. Meals and entertainment, 50% used for business purposes. Travel. If you leave for travel for business trip, it's 100% deductible. Any of those advertising expenses, Facebook, Google Ads, website, and SEO, can be claimed as an expense. If you rent an office place, it's 100% deductible. Phone and internet, the percentage you use for business, you can claim on your business. If you have insurance for your business, it's 100% deductible. Legal and accounting for your business, you can claim as an expense. If you have employees, claim that as a deduction. If you have a rental property, you can claim the interest for that rental property.
Hey, did you know you can start a Chick-fil-A with just $10,000? No way, I have that right now. How do I get started? Well, before you get ahead of yourself, let me tell you the process. I'm all ears, man. First of all, you go through a very intensive interview process that can span over the course of a year. Ooh, that's a pretty long time, but I feel like I'm a pretty good interviewer. Another thing you should know is out of the 55,000 people that have applied, only 100 operators have been chosen. So to put that into perspective, you have a better chance of graduating from Yale and then making it to the NFL. Maybe I should look into something else. However, I do have a method that increases your chances of actually getting a franchise. Well, what is it? Click the plus for part 2.
Want to create a mobile app, but you don't know how to code like this, right? Let me show you what you can do. So there is this amazing tool which is called glideapps.com. You need 0 skills in coding, and you can really create your own mobile app for free in 5 minutes from a single Google Sheet. And it's really very easy and fun to create by dragging and dropping the elements you want to include on your app. And you don't have to start from zero. Pick one template from different categories and choose whatever works for you. For example, I chose this meal plan app that I can really start editing and customizing according to my needs. All I need to do is copy this template. And if you're too good with that, you can really list your own templates and start making money out of it. So are you ready to start building your own app? Let me know in the comments what kind of app you would like to create and follow for more.
Hey you guys, it's My Business Jazz coming to you with some tips on how to start your business. So first, you're going to want to come up with an idea of how you can sell a product or a service. Then when you figure that out, you're going to register your intellectual property so it's on paper. Then you're going to do research in your market and decide what business structure is best for you. Next, you want to decide on a name and see if it's available, and then start writing your business plan. Next, you're going to want to set up an online presence. Make sure you set up a website, register your domain, and create a website that is catered to you and your business. Don't forget to set up your finances and figure out whether you're going to market to your target audience. After that, it's time to launch.
So I was talking to this girl and she was like, oh my God, I really want to start a business, but I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. Okay, first, Google how to get a business license in your state. 2, get your permits. 3, get a fictitious firm name doing business as. 4, go get whatever inventory or whatever you want to sell put together or affirm a service. 5, set up a website. 6, set up your social media. 7, launch. That's it. All you have to do. It's that easy.
Hi everyone, here's how I started my inclusive small business in 2018. So I've always been obsessed with nude, however I realized that nude was not always catered in my skin tone. It was really important that these shades complemented dark skin tones as well as light skin tones. Unfortunately, it was not available, so I had to dye them myself. Yes, I know, it's crazy, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I called it Sincerely Nude because it really means it. I had the photo shoot done. Here's my mood board. It was so much fun and it was a great experience. I did the website by myself as well. I had to also arrange my packaging. It was very important that it matched the brand. It is safe to say that it has been a whirlwind and it's been crazy. So much fun, tears, drama, but I wouldn't change it for the world. Thank you to everyone that has supported my brand.
Soldier. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it. She make it.
Okay, you've started a business and you need to create content every day. So here are the 4 types of content that you need. 1 is your entry-level content. That includes how-tos, tips and tricks, do's and don'ts, and common questions. The second type of content is category content. This includes current trends, news, hot topics, and busting any industry myths. The third type of content is community content, and by that I mean your community content. Behind the scenes, your journey, how you got here, how you make your products, advanced FAQs, and inside jokes. The fourth type of content is your product and sales content. Explanation videos, discounts, case studies, product deals, and of course, reviews. I hope this helps.